Yes, I'm Sophie from the ultrasonic machine plant. This machine we call the portable spot welding machine. We use it to stick the layers of the labels. Then we stitch it to the clothing. And also this machine and also this third machine all have the same function and spot welding the labels to the clothing and fix the position for the labels. And also we can use it to weld the ear loop to the face mask.